Now, what to expect at academic advising. So when you go to that meeting with your academic advisor, you can kind of expect them to, one, ask about your progress in this academic success workshop. And again, if you're P1, you must complete the workshop before they can remove your registration hold. You might discuss the self-reflection you completed with them, and I will be providing your responses to your advisor to help guide that conversation. The next thing that you can expect at your academic advising session is for your advisor to check how many credits you've used in your 24 to reach your end game. And then they're going to give you a target GPA for the semester, so that way you can reach that 2.0 and not even have to worry about suspension. Now, if you are close to that suspension, then they are also going to talk about the appeal, the process, and your next steps. And last, if you've completed all the requirements, they will remove your registration hold so you can get ready for the next semester. Now, to calculate your target GPA, your advisor has all the tools and the math behind it, but I want you to have a little context on what that really means. So your GPA is actually an equation, right? It's the number of quality points, these things that you earn based on your letter grades, divided by what we call GPA hours, which are credits that count towards your GPA. If you divide those two numbers, which you can find on your transcripts, you will get your cumulative GPA. We also do this per semester. Now, a target GPA is looking at how many total quality points do you have right now, how many total GPA hours do you have right now, how many GPA hours are you taking this semester, right? And then we just do some math to figure out, okay, based on how many GPA hours you will have at the end of the semester when you complete these credits, how many quality points do you need to earn in total to reach a 2.0, and how many quality points then do you need to earn this semester to get to that total where you can have a cumulative GPA. Basically, it's algebra, but don't worry, your advisor is going to do that calculation for you.